advertised. I didn't know her. I just called her and said, hey, we go to the same church, you know. So it's absolutely everybody that, you just need to take the filter off, take the judgment thing off, and know that you're going to, put them on this list. And the goal is, of course, if they return your call, as we said here, they belong on the list. So it doesn't mean that when you call them and they don't call back, that's okay. We just keep on going, But again, think and widen that view as you're building that list. Mine has evolved. I don't even know how many times. In fact, I've got to sit down and add my list for this year already. So it's a constant moving piece that we need to have. And then we have to have, of course, a way to qualify or quantify that information and be able to follow up with it. Anything else you want to add on that, Ken?
No, you're exactly right. Folks, it's even, most of us have been here for a while, and I'm going on 29 years with Legal Shield, and still today, I'll add at least 5 or 6 names to my list today that I haven't spoken with yet, or I haven't spoken to at all about Legal Shield. It's just either I have them, I have the business cards, like Kathy said, I have a brochure or a flyer. It doesn't mean, again, we want them to answer our call, but I know if they're going to answer my call, they're on the list. And Kathy said they may not answer when I call because they may be busy doing something else, but I know they will call me back. But if they're going to answer my call, take my call, I'm going to make sure they're on my list. And I think it's great to go through your phone. You can go through your phone and all the contacts. I have 1,500 contacts in my phone. And if I took those numbers and I divided that 1,500 by 300, giving some days off, holidays, and 300 days, it would probably take me 300 days to go through my entire phone book, right? And that's something that folks use. I don't know them. There may be a pest control guy, but still they're contacts, right? They're contacts. If they're in my phone, either I should be able to call them, Kathy. If they don't answer, or if I don't know who that person is, I'm going to call and say, I'm not sure, I have a new phone. But we have had conversation in the past because you were in my phone book, and I want to save your name correctly. So if you don't remember who that person was, that's a great way. Hey, I'm just going through my phone book. I'm noticing your name didn't come up. I do have a new phone, and I just want to make sure I got the right name with the right number. And,
Yeah,